Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no sign, but we should have tried.
Hey guys, I have finally cleaned out and organized my cleaning supply closet. So today I'm going to be showing you what it looks like and how I did everything. Now to some people this might look like a ton of stuff, but you have to keep in mind that I do this as my job, so I do get sent a lot of products to try out and things like that. But I also love to clean, so it's kind of a hobby as well. But this is actually our closet underneath of our stairs, and we also kind of use it as a storm shelter when need be. But when we moved in, I had my husband put these hooks up into those boards right there so that I could hang my mops. So I have my mops hung there, and this is my Bona mop, and I do really like that for in between cleaning, just like a quick touch up. And then I have, of course, my beloved O-Cedar mop and bucket. I really love this thing. And then beside that, I have a little steam cleaner that I bought 10 years ago, and that thing is a beast. I love it. I got it on Amazon, and I will try and find one for you guys, but I haven't had much luck in the past. And then that thing that I just showed you was a ceiling fan cleaner that I use for the ceiling fan in the living room because it's very high. But that steam cleaner, you just put water in and it has a bunch of different attachments and you can clean all sorts of things. And then of course Kinsley's little toy Dyson is in there, and my Bissell steam mop, and then my Hoover floor cleaner.
Said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you.
So now I have all of my cleaning products organized in these bins that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I have them sort of categorized by kitchen cleaners. I have my more natural base cleaners, my dusting, my floor care, bathroom, things like that. So I'm gonna kind of go through, not entirely in detail on the baskets, but I'm gonna kind of show you what I have in them. And then down here I have like my rags and my mop pads and my cleaning accessories, and I have like some what do I have over in that other one? I have some mop pads and trash bags and things like that. But I'm just showing you here, I have like my dusters, my gloves, any brushing pads or extra brushing pads, things like that. And then I have this blind cleaner here that's totally disgusting and I clearly need to wash, but you just put it on your blinds and clean. I don't really use it a whole lot because there's other methods I use more, but basically you get the idea. This is just my little basket of cleaning accessories. And then here I have vacuum parts. So you know how vacuums come with all these different attachments, they're all in that basket. And then here I have some mopping pads and trash bags basically. And then up here on the top shelf, I just have, like I said, categorized my bathroom cleaners and my kitchen cleaners and things like that. So just to show you really quickly, in the kitchen underneath the sink, now I just have my one basket of cleaners that I use on the regular. So I have in there what I would use on the countertop, what I use to clean the sink with. I have a little carpet cleaner in there because we do have a puppy. I have some extra dish soap and some replaceable dish scrubber brushes from Grove, my cooktop cleaner, things like that. But those are things that I use like more often. I also have my garbage disposal cleaner in there. And then I have my disinfecting wipes over there that I use. I like to just have them easily accessible if I need them for anything. And then of course my dishwashing soap and my trash bags, but that's now all I keep under my sink. Believe it or not, 99% of the stuff that's in that cleaning closet was underneath the sink. How? I have no idea, but it was, and it looked awful. But now I have only the things I need and I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.